YouTube, Chuck's back today, doing a bit more work on the charger discharger by Brett. Here's our temperature sensor. We've got 8 of them. Now, if I try to put that underneath the plastic, the pins either end will not go through the board. We've got a lot of problems there. Only thing I can think of is to bend them and put the whole thing inside the holes that we've been left with, and I think that's what Brett's put the holes here for. I'll give that a try first and we'll see what happens. Okay, sorry for inconvenience, especially those guys that don't really want to watch bit by bit. Turn off now if you don't want to see what's going on. That's fine. We're not holding you here to watch it. It's not that I'm trying to cause any grief, it's just that apparently I'm the first person that wants to build this, other than Brett. Brett made it himself. This is version 2 of his board, and I'm thinking this is the way it's meant to go, so that the actual bit of it's actually still in that hole, and that's actually still sensing some sort of heat coming from this. I can tell you right now that I've got a heap of batteries sitting over. Well, actually, I'll show you the batteries. Okay, these are the batteries I got the other day. They're a Chinese battery. They heat. See, I put the words hot on it. They heat they get very, very hot. So I thought I was in for a bit of a treat, because I had, I think there was originally 9 of these batteries. I've got 2 over there, and I'm thinking of throwing them. But I found another one in one of the other boxes as well, and they're like this, and they overheat. So I want to make sure that I've got this correctly set up, otherwise I might start a fire, and I don't want to do that. And I also want to make sure that if I'm going to solder something, everyone's going to get it the right way around straight away, and it's not going to cause anyone any problems. Anyway, so we're back to looking at the board from those batteries, and I've had a fair few batteries that have gotten overheated or don't hold charge. So I throw anything that's under 2 volts now. I don't need them, and they're causing a lot of grief, and we want this thing to go well. So here I've actually put the Mega in. It's his Mega board. A lot of soldering there. If you notice all the pins, there's a freaking lot of them. Anyway, I shouldn't swear, just for the kids in the ordinance, but there's a lot. And so yeah, I've got all the other couple of bits and pieces. I've ordered the correct, I don't know what this part is, and I'm trying to think if it's this that goes here. I'm thinking it goes there. I'll tell you straight away, it did not come with any pins to mount it. It came with stuff all, but I'm thinking that that's it. It goes in there. That's my USB connection. So I'll put some pins into that, and we'll do that. Other than that, at the moment I've got one other problem, and that's the spot welder. I really need some help. If anyone's good at coding in C, especially Arduino, I'd love to talk to you, or leave me a comment and I can contact you. I really need some help to finish off the spot welder. I've got the spot welder almost finished. So here it is. I think you've all seen it anyway. Here's my plug. I've got a old Singer sewing machine foot pedal, which works really well, but my 555 timer just is too long. I need it in milliseconds. I have a rotary encoder. I have a Nokia 5110 display, and I have a couple of different like Megas, an old I think it's a 128 Mega. I was thinking of using that just to turn this on and off for 2 sets. I did have some software from another guy. It was in Lua. It doesn't seem to want to compile, which is a lot of hassle for me. If you guys know anyone that does a bit of programming or can give me some tips, please leave a comment below. I really need your help. Thanks everyone, and hope you're having a great day, and catch you soon. Oh, leave a comment and please subscribe. Bye bye.